Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to, in this video, let us answer the MCQs related to science practice paper number 1. So this is the paper what I have prepared. So daily one set of MCQ, that is 20 questions, I will post it. So please watch my YouTube channel. So please subscribe my channel, and those who are not subscribed, please subscribe and watch my videos, share my videos and like my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the next video notification. So now let us answer the first question. The bouncing back of light into the same medium is called dash. The bouncing back of light into the same medium is called refraction, reflection, dispersion, diffraction. The right answer is option B. In the box, let us write the option, and what is the answer? In the blank, let us write the answer, that is reflection. So for the first question, option B, reflection is the answer. Then coming to the second question, a mirror has dash surface, rough, polished, dark, all of these. So a mirror has option B, polished surface. So for the second question, option B, polished. Then coming to the third question, the major causes of air pollution include the burning of coal and petroleum, afforestation, deforestation, recycling of paper. The major cause for air pollution is, among these four, burning of coal and petroleum is the major cause for air pollution. So for the third question, option A, that is burning of coal and petroleum. So burning of coal and petroleum is the right answer. Now let us move for the fourth question. Smog is equal to smoke plus fog, smoke minus fog, all of these. So smog is a mixture of smoke and fog. So for fourth question, option B, that is smoke plus fog. So this is the right answer for fourth question. Now let us move for the fifth question. The gas used in refrigerating appliances causing serious damage to ozone is dash. So in refrigerator we are using a gas, and that gas will damage ozone, and that gas is MFCS, CFC, MFC, CFC, LPC and DPC. So the right answer is option B, that is CFC. So CFC is the right answer. Chlorofluorocarbon. Next, coming to the sixth question. Ursa Major is a dash anta kottidare. Star, constellation, seen only with telescope, satellite. So among these four, the right answer is option B, that is constellation. So constellation andre nakshatragala rashi. So that is the right answer. Next, coming to seventh question. The planet having more number of satellites. So which is the planet having more number of satellites? That is Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury, Mars. So the right answer is option B, that is Saturn. So Saturn is the right answer. Next, coming to eighth question. The unit to measure the astronomical distance is leap year, light year, century, sound year. So the right answer for this question is option B, that is light year is the right answer. Then coming to ninth question, the instrument used to measure earthquake. So bhukampana measure ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ? That is Richter scale, then seismograph, polygraph, none of these. The right answer is option A, that is Richter scale. Richter scale. Then coming to 10th question, which is not a natural phenomena? Among these, which is not a natural phenomena? Earthquake, cyclone, lightning, earthing. So the right answer is, that is option D, earthing. Earthing is not a natural phenomena. Earthquake, cyclone and lightning, they are natural phenomena, but earthing is not a natural phenomena. So like this we have to answer this 10th question. Now let us move for 11th question. So next let us move for seismograph is an instrument used to dash record strength of wind, record vibrations of earthquake, record lightning, record temperature. So among these the right answer is option B, that is vibrations of record vibrations of earthquake. Next, coming to next question, what is an electrolyte is dash anta ide, a metal, a liquid that conducts current, a non-metal and none of these. So the right answer for 12th question is option B, that is a liquid that conducts current. Next, coming to 13th question, an electric lamp glows due to heating effect, magnetic effect, chemical effect, physical effect. So the right answer is option A, that is heating effect. So heating effect is the right answer. Then coming to the next one, that is 14th question, electroplating prevents dash anta ide. So corrosion, passing of current, dissociation, shining. So we are using electroplating to prevent corrosion. So for the 14th question, the right answer is option A, corrosion. So corrosion is the method used to, corrosion is an spoilage of metal. To avoid corrosion, we are using a method called electroplating. Then coming to 15th question, the first artificial satellite launched by India, Aryabhatta, Chandrayana, Bhaskara, Phobos. The right answer is option A. The first Indian artificial satellite is Aryabhatta. So Aryabhatta is the first Indian satellite. Then coming to 16th one, Halley's comet appear after nearly dash ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಯೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾಲೆ ಕಾಮೆಟ್ ಪ್ರತಿ 76 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. 75 ಇಯರ್ಸ್, 76 ಇಯರ್ಸ್, 75 ಇಯರ್ಸ್, 76 ಇಯರ್ಸ್, 76 ಮಂತ್ಸ್, 76 ಡೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, that is 76 years. Next, coming to the next question, so asteroids are seen between the orbits of dash anta ide, Mercury and Earth, Mars and Jupiter, Earth and Mars, none of these anta ide. So the right answer is option B, that is Mars and Jupiter. So between the Mars and Jupiter there will be asteroids. Next question, lightning always follows dash anta ide, a thunder, rainpour, wind, none of these. For 18th question, the right answer is option A, that is a thunder. Dear students, don't forget to write the option. In front of that option you have to write the answer. Next, if the angle of reflection is 60 degree, then the angle of incidence is dash. Angle of reflection is 60 degree given, then what is the angle of incidence? Angle of reflection ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ angle of incidence ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರು, if the angle of reflection is 60, angle of incidence is also 60. So for 19th question, option C, 60 degree is the right answer. Next, the last question of MCQ of science practice paper number 1 is, splitting of light into its constituent colors is known as dash. Spectrum, dispersion, rainbow, lightning. So the right answer for this one is option B, that is dispersion. So dispersion is the phenomenon of splitting of white light into 7 constituent colors. So like this we have to answer this question. So in the next video again I will post one more set of MCQ. So dear students, you work out all this, then you feel that it will be, you become very confident and you can face the exam without any tensions. So thank you very much. So thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.